Introducing RILICO Film Faced Plywood, a premium product with over 44 years of expertise in the timber panel industry. RILICO stands as a leader in supplying all types of film-faced plywood, offering a full range of cores and laminates, from brown film to plastic, and catering to all market thicknesses. Our strict quality control processes ensure that every delivery meets the agreed specifications, giving our customers peace of mind. We prioritize transparency with our customers, providing detailed analysis of plywood grading based on target prices and explaining our quality control methods to prevent defects. This dedication has made us the #1 supplier in the Saudi Arabian market. RILICO Film Faced Plywood is designed to excel in building and construction projects. Featuring a specialized film coating made from phenol or melamine, our plywood offers exceptional resistance to moisture, abrasion, chemical degradation, and fungal attacks. Key features of RILICO Film Faced Plywood include enhanced durability, weather resistance, UV and chemical protection, and versatile thickness options. Available thicknesses range from 12 millimeters to 30 millimeters, catering to diverse project requirements. Applications of RILICO Film Faced Plywood include shuttering concrete formwork, flooring materials, and work platforms. Our anti-slip film-faced plywood is ideal for building sheds, stages, and work platforms, ensuring secure footing even in demanding environments. Versatility redefined. RILICO Film Faced Plywood serves as a cornerstone for both interior and exterior projects, delivering reliability and performance with every use. Trust in RILICO for high-quality film-faced plywood that meets the demands of your industry. With over 44 years of excellence, RILICO, the inventor of PP plastic plywood and Faurecia formwork systems, stands as a pioneer in the plywood industry. Trusted in 54 countries by over 240 customers and counting, RILICO delivers unmatched product quality, service integrity, and environmental sustainability. Experience the RILICO difference in every project. RILICO, your trusted global plywood supplier and manufacturer. Contact us today.